Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G30 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the capture settings category, and here we have assistive grid option. So by using this button from the right we can turn on our camera grid lines or turn them off as we need. For now let me keep them turned on. Let's go back to the camera preview, and now we can see these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to the right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real photo. So they are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them, we can tap again to the right corner button, open the settings, slide to the capture settings and use this button with assistive grid to turn them off. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.